Hello everybody, welcome to Pascal Programming, and today I'm going to be showing you how to detect whether a number is odd or true using an odd function and boolean. Okay, let's go. Program, auto even, variable, on boolean, an integer, begin, line, input, a small number, line. Yeah, I'm sorry, very fast line on. Okay, right line. Okay, and yeah. Okay. So basically, in place of W, it's gonna write false or true. So the number n is an odd number. I'm just gonna write something like this, and then comment W. Yeah. I think everything is correct. And then if you run it, if I input 12, the number 12 is an odd number, then it writes false. Yeah, it's true. 13 is true. Okay, I'm gonna try to figure out something like if W is true, okay, let me say I write another boolean like T, and then I say T, T is meant by, what am I doing? It's meant by true. Okay, and then I'm gonna just turn this into a comment. Oh no, this. What am I doing? Turn this into a comment, and then I'm gonna write something here. Okay. If table is equal to C, then I think this should work. I'm not sure whether it works for boolean, but I think it should. Then right line. Then right line. Right line and is the way it works. I'm not sure whether it works for boolean, but it should be certain. Please, yes. Okay, it runs. I don't know if it's gonna. Okay, if it's 12, it doesn't run. You try again. Now 13. 13. Yes, it runs. So let me explain if you don't really understand. So program auto event, don't leave any spaces or a number at the beginning. Variable. So W and T are boolean. So a boolean is like a logical instrument. So it's either true or false. It's either 1 or 0. You know that. And then n is an integer, which we just gonna input the value that we need to evaluate whether to tell whether or not it's even an odd. Begin read line input a small number, so when we don't want a big number. Read line n. Let me just put the syntax. Should be output window. This is the one. Yeah, now it's looking great. So read line n. So W is meant by odd. So this is called an odd function. So let me just show it to you. Pascal APC, like most of the compilers, have this thing that's called syntax highlighting. It shows you how to use it. So it says function of odd is I in bytes. I think it holds like a byte. That's its space, and then it should be boolean. So it's either true or false. It's either odd or even. It's either true or false, and then you put whichever number you want. Read. That's all. And T is meant by true. So for boolean, you can even try this, like assign it whether true or false. True or false. So I assign it true. We'll try something else as well. And then if W is meant by true, so T is now true. So if W of odd is meant by true, then write line N. Let's try changing something. Let me just run it one more time. I'm gonna try 7. Enter. Okay, 7 is an odd. Let me just write line. Just include something. No. Is an odd now. 7 is an odd number, like in age. Number. Yeah, now that'll look better. Yeah, let me just 9 is an odd number. What if it's false? If we put false right here, it should be doing opposite, so I'll just change even here. Even. Yeah, so sometimes you can just do the other thing to output the other thing. I don't think there's an even function. I never heard of it. I think it's there. 12. No, it doesn't. So I should put something like an else function so that it imports and tells you that, okay, this is an odd number. So what about 16? No. What about 16? 16 is an even number. So this is how you determine whether a number is odd or even, and you can further develop it by putting an else function. An else function to tell both whether a number is even and odd. So I'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you for watching, and like, share.